In New York, a faceless creator builds a cash flow engine from rewards, cashback, and small automated investments. Each week, a dashboard blends micro deposits with an ETF-like mix, rebalanced across apps, cards, and portals. The routine is simple: automate transfers, optimize rewards, and trim fees while staying NYC-centered. A twist uses city loyalty programs to turn commutes into compounding gains without revealing identity. The result is a steady climb toward financial freedom, proving patient action in a fast city can yield real wealth.